Symbols, wherever you go, there are symbols. And I've found an absolute beauty. Come and have a look at this. It's perfect. What a wonderful fish this is. But what is the symbolism around the fish? So what words are associated with fish in the world of symbols? Eternity, creativity, fertility, femininity, good luck, happiness and knowledge. We're in Celtic Wales, and the symbol of the fish in Celtic origins is knowledge. But not just knowledge, also with prophecy and wisdom. And by eating the fish, people thought that they would gain wisdom. This fantastic area is Brickfields Pond, and it was actually a project between Denbighshire County Council and the Rhyl Environmental Association, and it's absolutely wonderful. But of course there's not just the fish here. There are 5 other sculptures all around Brickfields Pond, and I'm not going to tell you about that. I think you should come down here to investigate for yourselves. Absolutely well worth a wonderful visit. Rich Jones and Sean Curley were commissioned to do these 6 sculptures, and they've done a fantastic job. Absolutely marvellous work. Free parking too, which is a Billy bonus. This has been Rhyl. Rhyl has got fantastic symbols. Goodbye for now.